Okay guys, hello, welcome to another video. I'm gonna show you how to get cough drop. Wait, hold on. Let me just...
You're on the right track, but you're really wrong. What do you think hill rock means? Maybe you should look at the hill and see if you can find a marker. I'd say step on the rocks. Yeah, try that. What are you trying to do? Are you trying to get a marker? Well, tough luck. You won't find one here. Look somewhere else. Gosh, you're persistent. Fine. Pick the marker. SMH.
If you do that 3 times, you will get the thing. Also, if you want teapot marker, just put and then go down here, and then you will find teapot marker. And if you also want, wait, hold on, is it evil? Yeah, probably evil. If you want evil marker, put or something like that onto the, and you will find evil marker. Anyways, bye.